What up, YouTube? It's been a while since I recorded the last video. Thank you for everybody that subscribed and getting that video to 3.7K views. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Reason as to why I wasn't consistent with my videos is because 2 weeks after that video, I ruptured my Achilles, putting me out of commission for 6 months. I've had surgery. I'm getting better. Thank you to my doctors. Thank you to everybody that was supporting me at the time while I was down. We're back with another video. We're gonna be more consistent with everything, so please hit this subscribe button. Your boy need that 1,000 subs. Anyways, as for today's video, as you can see, I have a Eonon Apple CarPlay head unit for the GTI. I've been watching these videos and seeing reviews about them. They're really good. Reason I'm changing my old head unit, as you heard, it has Apple CarPlay, touchscreen. I've been hearing good reviews about this head unit, to be honest. What it looks like, basically what it looks like. That's the model right there. Gives you all everything that comes in the accessories, the diagram. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It's a 9-inch. This is your antenna, basically for your Wi-Fi. This is your mic, so you can speak because it is Bluetooth compatibility, Apple CarPlay. This is the plug and play harness. This is the relay. This is the canvas, because you know, Volkswagen, everything gets a code. This is for the antenna. These is your Apple CarPlay, but I don't think I'm gonna be using this, to be honest. Like I said, I'm gonna connect via my Bluetooth for Apple CarPlay, and then this is for your regular Androids to connect. We're gonna go ahead and plug everything. Now we plugged in the harness. All of these are gonna be your audio and output. Big one, that's right there. Make sure it clicks in. Heard the little click. Plug this in. Right here. It goes to the small, like so. Clicks in. Clicked in. Go ahead, take off this red cap. Wi-Fi. Twist that on. This is for, that's exactly what it says, television, audio, and output. So we're gonna go ahead and connect that to. Go ahead, turn this over. Just like so. I have everything situated. Now we're going to go and install it into the car. About to get started on unplugging everything. This part I'm going to fast forward because there's plenty of videos online showing you how to take this apart. And you disconnect the canvas. Just like so. Now I need to plug in the audio. So if done correctly, everything should start up. Look at that! Turns on. Sorry for my loud ass car. This is what I want. You have Chrome, you have your car info, Bluetooth music, Bluetooth, but we're gonna go ahead and try to connect to Apple CarPlay. Go to Z-Link, Bluetooth on, fading, connected. Now we wait. As you see, it's connected. Now saying please wait. We're gonna see that if everything works. today's video. I'm having a little debacle. I'm stuck on what I should do for the next version of my car. I've had this current setup for about 2 years now, so it's time to freshen up the GTI. It's literally time to freshen up the GTI. Make it look good again, because I do miss it breaking necks. You know what I'm saying? Now, I know how I want the car to look, but I'm stuck on whether I should paint the car, wrap the car, and what wheels I should get. I know I want 3-piece wheels, but I don't know what type of 3-piece wheel. And I definitely do want some polish lips. Polish lips do go crazy. I've seen them, but the monoblocks do look good. But I'm gonna let you guys decide, so comment down below on what I should do next for the car. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
We used to play the game on the porch. My mama was tripping, we couldn't have company. I used to think I would never accomplish it. Still can't believe the day that I accomplished it.